Here we have a SAT math problem. Okay, let's go to the question. A right square prism has a height of 14 units. The volume of the prism is 2016 cubic units. What is the length in units of an edge of the base? Okay, first let me draw a right square prism. Here I have drawn a right square prism. Right square prism means that the base of the prism will be a square. And also we have to find the length in units of an edge of the base. So edge of the base is nothing but the length of each side of the base. Actually base is a square because it's a right square prism. So the edge is nothing but the side length of the square base. Let's assume A as the length of each side of the square base. So I have to find the value of this A. Okay, so here the height of the prism is given, that is 14 units. And also we have the volume of the prism, that is 2016 cubic units. Let me write it. So volume equals to 2016. There is a formula to get a volume of a prism, that is a base area times height. So equals to 2016. So instead of volume, we can write the formula to get a volume of a prism. So here this capital B represents the base area. Already we know that the base is a square. So to get the area of this base, that is square, we have to multiply the side by side. That is A times A, that is A square. So A square is a base area in this case. And the height is given, that is 14. We can plug in 14 for this H over here, equals to 2016. Okay, my aim is to get the value of A, which represents the length of each side of the square base, or it represents the length of edge of the base. Okay, now let me divide both sides by 14. When I divide both sides by 14, this 14 will cancel out. A square equals to, when I divide 2016 by 14, I am getting 144. Okay, now I have to get rid of this square. For that, we have to take square root on both sides. When I take square root on both sides, the square root and square root will cancel out. Then I'm getting A equals to square root of 144 is 12. So therefore, the length of the edge of the base is 12 units.